Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another, it's an unboxing. It's an eBay one. I decided to do a really weird challenge. So I ordered two makeup, mystery makeup bundles or whatever you want to call them, mystery boxes, mystery bags, whatever, from eBay. And this is one of them. I'm supposed to be getting the second one maybe on Friday. But my challenge is this. For my wedding, I decided that whatever I get out of these boxes, I'm gonna use for my makeup. So hopefully I don't look like a freaking clown, but if it happens, hey. You know, that's why I'm getting the backup. This box was $28.50. That include tax and shipping. So let's open this box, shall we? Okay, I opened the box, and this is what you see. There's another little thingy. Okay, so you open the bag, and this is what you see. And I see some really nice goodies. Like I said, for $28, you can't go wrong. Okay, sorry. I know, I'm a weirdo. Okay, so the first item in this cute little mesh bag, as soon as I can get the bag open. Okay, the first item that I'm picking up is Fingers Designer Nail Fabrics in the leopard print, and it comes with its own file. That's what they look like. Just gonna throw everything that I show you guys. I'm just gonna throw back in the box. So there's that first item. The second is a CoverGirl Continuous Wear Natural Makeup in dark, which it's like a sample, so I'll probably use it. Maybe. If I do use one of them, it'll probably be this one and this one. Yeah, okay, it's a sample. So you apply it with your fingertips. It's dark. You get the idea. So the colors are creamy beige, tawny, and toasted almond. Trying to show you. Okay. The third item are these Fingers New Design California Girls Fake Nail Kit. I don't know if I'm actually going to wear these or not, but you never know with me. Okay, the next item is a Mary-Kate, hang on, let me pull it up. It's a Mary-Kate and Ashley Bronzer Blush Kit. Trying to back it up, but you know, the lights are right there. The next thing is a streetwear double scoop lip gloss and glitter. Which I'll probably end up giving to my flower girl. The next thing is acrylic powder and clear. Just want to see if, you know, if it's closed. Okay. This is closed, but it's acrylic powder. Wanted to make sure it was closed. And clear. I got 2 finger Okay, One Fingers nail polish. One in, take one out of the bag. One in clear. The next one in, a purple. Like I said, I'll probably just give it to my flower girl. Because I'll never use them, let's be real. The next color is this pretty neon green nail polish. I know it looks like it's darker, but it's really neon green. I love the packaging. If I can see if I can painting one nail. See, it's like a neon, and it goes on pretty clear. But it's a neon green. Next thing is a nail file. You always need one of those. The next thing is a nail, I'm going to say this is a nail brush to apply the acrylic. Yeah, this is a nail brush to apply the acrylic. Alright, next thing, I'm trying to go as fast as I can, guys, is a passion fruit SPF 15 sunscreen lip balm, and it's a DC's original. That's what that is, and I like that. And it's sealed. I'm not going to open it at this moment, but it's sealed. Okay, the next thing is a professional eyeshadow kit. And pretty much neutral colors, which is one thing I'll probably end up using. Okay, the next thing is this. What is this? Blue sparkly. Why is there? Okay. And there's hair on it. Lovely. A blue sparkly. It's either a lipstick or an eyeshadow stick, but that's what it looks like. It's very sparkly. So there's that. A Love My Lips lipstick in frosted copper. There we go. So that's pretty. An Avon eyeshadow pencil. Hi, Perry. Which I can use as for the inner corner, so thank goodness. Alright. Trying to get down to the last stuff here. Amuse gel glitter liner, so I can use it as and what's the color supposed to be? Well, it doesn't actually have a color shade, but it looks like a really pretty pinkish purple. But as you can tell, right there, it's pretty much drying out a bit. But okay, another eyeshadow by Jordana. Right there. I have a Dabby. I want to say this is a lip gloss, a glittery one. It's pink. No, it's not. It's a lip liner or an eyeliner. Which I'll try and get closer here. Okay, last few items. I have a silver eyeliner. I have a Mary-Kate and Ashley white eyeliner. I have a Jordan Sheer Lips Elegant Lipstick in the color silver. You can see right in there, it's silver. And then the last few things in the box are a lip liner in Nutmeg. Ooh. Oh, lip liner in Nutmeg. This is Splash. A lip liner in Auburn by Jordana. Okay, the last three are Jordana. I have a lip liner in Plum. Okay. And I have the lip liner in Honey. So, was it worth... Hang on. I want to make sure they're all lip liners here. Was it worth it? Maybe? Would I do this again? Maybe. So, that's everything I got in the box bag. And some of this stuff I will definitely wear. It's a lot. And some of it I will literally pass on. But yeah. Guys, I will hopefully see you guys Friday. And then try to take as much of this off as possible. So this is the first makeup wedding haul. But I also went back on Ipsy and I ordered a few things. So when those come in, I'll definitely do another video. And I went on Amazon and ordered a couple things from there. So, guys, it's a lot, especially for this wedding. After that, I'm done with the unboxings for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Don't party too hard. And have fun. Bye, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell for every single time I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.